Hello everyone, welcome to TradeXBulls for this week's short-term video. I hope you all had an amazing weekend and the market will open tomorrow. So these are the stocks that are going to be in our watch list for the next week. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe. You can see we are very close to 1000 subscribers. It will mean a lot and it will motivate us for making such kind of videos. So please hit the subscribe button if you are new and share this video as much as possible. Also, before going ahead, please pause the video and read this disclaimer. This is not a buying or selling recommendation. This is purely for educational purpose. Before investing in stock market, please contact your financial advisor. Before moving into the stocks, please, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, please join our Telegram channel. As you can see in the Telegram channel, people voted for the short-term video for the weekend. So here it is. You can join the Telegram channel and there we have daily Q&As where we answer your queries. So please join our Telegram channel by clicking in the link description down below. Also, if you like the video, please make sure you hit the thumbs up button because it motivates us for making such kind of videos and it helps us with the algorithm and it doesn't cost much. So make sure you thumbs up if you like the video. Now let's go ahead to the first stock for today. So the first stock that we have today is Arvind Limited and it is Arvind Limited's weekly chart. Now let's see why it is on our radar. As we can see, Arvind Limited has given a breakout of this resistance few weeks back and after that it gave a very good upside move. But whenever a breakout occurs in a stock, mostly in 80% cases there will always be a retracement and we can see Arvind has completed its retracement and tested the support level over here. And the green candle over here signifies that the retest of this support has been completed and now Arvind is ready to give another upside move from here. So what happens in this case is that our downside risk is very minimal and our upside reward is very big. So that is why Arvind Limited is on our radar. Now let's see his entry and target levels in the next slide. So the current market price of the stock is 117.5, but we will enter only above 121 for the targets of 130 and 140, and we will average or add more if the stock comes down to 92 levels. And the time frame for this trade will be 2 weeks to 3 months. Now let's see our second stock for today. The second stock in our radar today is Ease My Trip, and this is its daily chart. So what is happening over here is the Ease My Trip, after correcting quite a bit, now is taking support on this trend line and going upwards, and recently gave a breakout over this resistance in the last trading session. So it is looking very good. And the volumes are starting to accumulate also. So if the sentiment stays positive in the next week, Ease My Trip can give us good quick returns. And the stock, as long as it trends above this trend line, we have nothing to worry about because the trend line has given support to the stock multiple times. Now let's quickly see our entry and target levels in Ease My Trip. So we will enter Ease My Trip above 565 for the targets of 627 and 710 in the short to mid term, and our average level will be 485 and the trade time will be 3 months. Now let's quickly see our third stock for today. So the third stock for today is Sequent Scientific and this is its weekly chart. So what we can see is Sequent Scientific has corrected quite a bit in the past few weeks and we believe its correction is over because it has taken support on this level and made a very big green candle in the weekly time frame. Also we can see that the huge volume bar in the weekly basis, and this kind of volume bar has not been created in the past 2-3 years, so that means buyers are interested and not gonna let the stock fall from this level, and it is ready for a very big upside move. Now let's see its entry and target levels for the short term. So we will enter Sequent Scientific only above 185 for the short term targets of 208 and 223, and if we want to hold it for mid term, it can give targets of 250 to 60 as well, and we will average or add more if the stock falls down to 140, although I don't see it falling to those levels anytime soon. So those three were the stocks that are looking good for next week. You can enter accordingly if the market sentiment is positive. and don't enter big quantity, and don't buy all quantity at once. So these are the three rules that you need to keep in mind. Also, if you haven't watched our previous short terms video, you can watch them and see how well the stocks performed. And also, if you haven't checked out the intraday trading strategy video, please make sure you check it out. It is a very useful strategy. We had to re-upload it for some technical issues, but you can check it out and it will help you in your day-to-day trading a lot. So now it's the time to end the video with the quote of the day. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. So what this means is that in stock market, if you want to earn money, you have to be patient. The person who has patience will earn money from it. And the person who doesn't know how to buy the right stock and hold it, one who doesn't have patience, will keep losing money. And this is said by the great Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investor of this century. So with this quote, we will end the video for today and hope you all have a profitable week ahead. See you all in the next one.